Welcome to artbarsurf.com. We are so pleased to introduce you Reddit automation tool, which can create a Reddit account in bank. Also can auto upvote, downvote, follow and follow, join a post in communities, post message, upload evidence, create scrape users, or check karma of Reddit accounts in bank. In this video, we will show you steps to upvote or downvote for your post on Reddit. There are several basic settings that you have to set up before running any function, so please refer to the video of tutorial how to create Reddit accounts in bank from the minute 1 to minute 10. To see these basic settings, I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing all the basic settings, we will do with the upvote first. Now at the action section, you will select upvote. Turn to the link post or communities section. You will create a text file to contain links or posts that you want to upvote. Then you will open the post. For example, this post, you see the vote here is 8. I will click on this part and then copy the link here to paste it into the file. Then click to save. Then you click on this icon at this session to select the file created. Then you click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software runs. Now we will turn back to the post that I want to vote. You can see the vote here increase from 8 to 17. Next, we will turn to the downvotes. At this section, you will select downvote. To do similarly with the vote, at this session, you will create a text file to contain links or posts that you want to downvote. Open this file and then you see the post here. Copy the link of this post. You see the vote here is 71. Save this and then click on this icon at link post communities. Select the file created. Then click OK to run this feature. You click on Show Browser to see how the software runs. Now we will turn back to the post that I want to downvote. You can see here the votes decline from 71 to 59. These demonstrate that above are steps that must be taken to upvote or downvote on Reddit. You can visit autobotsub.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.